Winter storm warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Wednesday. What? Heavy snow and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches across southern Minnesota, to 4 to 7 inches across central Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, and south central Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin. When? From 6 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Minnesota, call 511 or visit 511mn.org for road conditions. In Wisconsin, call 511 or visit 511wi.gov for road conditions. Repeating, a winter storm warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. until 9 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties: in Minnesota, Anoka, Carver, Hennepin, Isanti, McLeod, Sherburne and Wright. Rain will turn to heavy snow from west to east this afternoon and tonight, snowfall rates exceeding an inch per hour and strong northwest winds gusting to 45 miles per hour may lead to blizzard conditions at times. A potent storm system will move across the area today and tonight. Rain will transition snow from west to east as cold air arrives. Periods of heavy snow are expected with rates of around an inch per hour at times. The heaviest totals will be found across central Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin, where around 6 inches are expected. Farther south across southern Minnesota and parts of west central Wisconsin, 1 to 3 inches are expected. Winds will increase later today and tonight with gusts as high as 45 miles an hour. Combined with the falling snow, widespread blowing snow and blizzard conditions are possible at times with visibilities 1/4 mile or less. The winter storm warning remains in effect for central and most of southern Minnesota and northwest Wisconsin. A winter weather advisory is in effect for far southern Minnesota and parts of west central Wisconsin. The St. Cloud, Minnesota Climate Summary for yesterday, November 24, 2025. Yesterday's high